I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the obvious controls because many problems live there. Check volume, mute, and do not disturb. Raise media volume specifically. Once done, force close the app producing no sound and reopen it to test. Make sure Bluetooth or wired headphones are disconnected so audio defaults to the phone speaker. If sound returns, the issue is accessory routing. If not, reboot the phone and test a different media source to separate app versus system problems. You now dig deeper. Clear the cache for the app and update it. Sometimes corrupted temporary files block audio. Next, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is hijacking audio. If sound works there, uninstall recent apps one at a time. Open settings sound and check media output and audio routing options, plus accessibility features like mono audio or hearing aid support. Also run the Samsung Diagnostic Tool or built-in sound test to get granular error feedback. You finish by applying final remedies. Update the phone's firmware and install pending security patches because software fixes often resolve elusive sound bugs. If updates fail and the problem persists after safe mode, back up your data and perform a factory reset. Retest before restoring all apps to avoid reintroducing the issue. Finally, if speakers remain silent or distorted during calls and media, suspect hardware and consult a certified Samsung repair center. Keep this tip. Test with a recording to prove speaker failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.